Oh, I figured something out. I guess they broke this. If they took this shit off, I don't know if they did or they didn't, but it definitely wasn't broken before. There's a guide. If this rod goes on the lock rod, you see it's completely busted. Or is it? Hold on. No, maybe not. Is it? That has to go on there. And then the lock should operate better. Yeah, that fixed their problem. So I don't know if I'm gonna do another video about this or another video 8898 locks. Maybe we'll title it. I'm just trying to make videos that maybe will help someone instead of the normal bullshit I've been putting up lately. But that definitely fixed it. We're gonna clean all that, cook off the rods and all the dusty stuff. It's way better. Way better action. But yeah, you see what you mean again? You trust freaking people to do the job, and both these fucking rods are off of this thing. Really? You know? And I thought that one was broken, but it wasn't. This is covered in shit. Trust people at the freaking body shop. It sucks. And it's just a crazy epidemic these days of people who work on automobiles, because it seems like the more people touch your car, the more it gets fucked up. I can only trust myself. And that's it. And the exhaust guy was good. He was honest, but he died. Here's another good guy. Besides that, there's shit around here. It's crazy. Let me clean that up and put that panel back on. I'll try to find new clips. If you don't have new clips, we're not putting this thing back on. It's gonna fall off. And yeah, glad we fixed that. Gotta do things twice, and we have a molding. That's good. And we can slim jim it, because you can put the thing down. You couldn't do it before. I can screw it this whole day. We got it going a lot easier. Much better. Here's oil, those little things. I don't know where to get this stuff. Got this when I was working at a dealer here temporarily. One day they laid me off. I took everything I could get. Oh. It's a nice click now. Cool. Alright, so get that on. Let's go slam this mirror on and put our moisture shield back on. I think that's good. See if we have any clips in stock. We're gonna have to give them a 2 on this fender. Nice that they fixed it, but fucking Cindy scratch. Yeah, not horrible, but half an hour would have been better.